If you love using hot wax on your armpits, please stop. Stop it if ayaw mo mangyari sa'yo yung nangyari sa akin. Alam mo ba, nagkaroon ako ng uneven skin because of hot wax? I usually do it myself at home, pero learn from my experience. Nako, nakakaitim at nakakapangit talaga ng kilikili ng hot wax, guys. So, it is better to go for laser hair removal with whitening. I actually just started my laser journey this year and today is my second session. Grabe yung frustration and insecurities ko sa kilikili ko, and I'm a woman and I love showing skin on cam and off cam, and I hate it every time na nakikita yung kilikili ko kasi naman kitang-kita talaga yung pagka-rough at discoloration ng skin. Kaya I finally decided to get proper treatment for my underarms. That's why I'm here at Aja Beauty Center. Today is my second session and sabi ni Lily, after my first session, medyo nag-improve na raw yung kilikili ko. Paunti-unti nagiging even na yung skin tone ko. So girls, kung mabuhok ang kilikili nyo, go na kayo for laser. Mura lang, lalo na pag dito ka sa Aja Beauty Center. Every Sunday, 50% off discount. Ganon katindi ang promo. Kaya mag-avail na rin kayo. So guys, we are done for our second session. As you can see, ito na po yung kilikili natin after second session. Yes, uneven yung skin natin. As what I have said, I had this problem since way back in the Philippines. But right now, I'm trying to revive my even skin sa aking armpit. And hopefully na maging okay to as soon as possible. Kasi ngayon, nasa second session na po tayo. I'm so happy sa second session natin kasi nakikita ko na yung improvement. So guys, kung may mga problema kayo sa inyong kilikili, don't wait any longer. Huwag nyong antayin na mas lalong hahaba yung hair sa kilikili nyo kasi that's not okay and it's not good for girls. So better go here at Aja Beauty Center at go na kayo sa ating pa-hair laser. Kasi sobrang mura na guys, naka 50% off discount pa tayo. O diba, dito lang yan guys sa Laaldin. Kaya ano pang nintay nyo? Visit Lily for hair laser.